recording it too now. Hey.
Yeah, for anyone who's like watching this, there's 3 little treats in the box.
Yeah,
Back of the box.
we got 3 biscuits in the soda box, whatever it's called. Come on, and we're trying to get our dog to go in the box. Get in there.
See, we got 3.
There they are. There's the 3.
See, you got 3 right there.
Come on.
Yeah. They're in the box.
Oh, you're a jerk. Get in the box. No, that was me. No, come back here. Don't go over that food. That's bad for you. You want your treats. You want your treats. Get in the box. Get in the box. Get in the box. Oh. You almost had it. You're almost in the box.
I want to eat. If he doesn't get on, I'll put him back in the bag.
Alright. Don't look at me. Get your treats. Get your treats. Don't worry, I have like 9 hours of video. We can go. I really don't want to stand here for 9 hours though. Don't eat the box. Go in the box.
The box isn't the treat.
Oh, he's working it.
I still say he's trying to like figure out how to slide him to him.
Yeah. And I get a text. Yeah, he's working it. Don't push the box. Go in the box. Back. Get in there. Get in the box.
Yeah, he was halfway in it like earlier.
Yeah, I know.
He like scared himself.
Don't do that, Demon. Go in the front. Jerk. There. Now go in the box. Come on. You can do it. It's like, man, I can't go behind it.
You get all 3 if you make it in the box.
Get in the box.
But you only have like 2 minutes, otherwise I want to eat, so I'm going to put him back in the bag.
Don't eat the box. Get in the box. What was that?
Came out of the box. Go in the box.
Can't you hear it talking to you? Get in me.
I'm going to eat in front of you just so...
Just to piss you off. We're gonna eat.
I'm going to eat my taquitos.
I'm gonna go eat my beefaroni. Till you get your snacks. This is hard to do, actually.
You know what? You're totally right, dog.
He needs the deal to be sweetened. Back they go. No treats. Shame. Just give her not going in. There we go. I got it. Dance, Ethel. Oh, we just dropped a taquito down there. Come on, man. You know you want it. Don't look at him. Get your taquito. Get in there. Come on, you're in there. Yeah. Oh. Shut up. He's gonna figure something out. Don't go through the top. That's a smaller hole anyways. Oh, hey.
What?
He still can't get it. There you go. There you go. Get in there. Oh shoot. Come on, we're going on 5 minutes now. Hurry up.
Really?
Yeah. Did he yet.
Oh, man.
I kind of just want to when his head's in there, just shove him in there. I feel like you've been here before. Go. Oh. Get it, Eva. He's chipping it away, though. Yeah. Oh. He needs, like, something to hold on to it, you know? There you go.
Either you want it or you don't.
It's all yours. It's all yours, man. He got it.
Did he?
Oh, shit. And off he goes.